Well, this is Forrest here from Clark's Condensed, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to do a baby's haircut. We've had a post that's done relatively well that Katie wrote a while ago, so now we're going to add this video to it. The last post was with Jack's first haircut, so we had to have another boy here so we have an opportunity to do another first haircut. As you can tell, it's pretty long at this point. Hi, buddy. And he has a sucker to keep him occupied and happy. And obviously candy's not something you should give a baby all the time, but for a moment like this, you need to try to keep them from moving too much and from crying too much, a little distracted. So you can use different toys or a little movie if you're okay with that at this age, to keep them maybe looking down sometimes. But I'll go ahead and get his hair wet. And you can use a spray bottle. I couldn't find our spray bottle, so just kind of, not to pour water on his head, I just have this wet rag here. So I'm gonna get him a little wet. So this might take a second. Maybe I'll just use wet. Start in the back. So just as a side note, Oliver has a bit of a big head and long hair, so this might be more hair than most people will end up cutting. And we have our little envelope ready to get some of his baby hair, because we're nostalgic like that. So,
you're so beautiful.
And it's very beautiful, yeah.
Should I bring it around to the other side while you can turn the back and then I can, you can turn around.
Yeah. I was gonna start back here. So you can comb it out, pinch it with your fingers, and then probably near the back, the bottom, you don't want it too long, so 1 finger length is probably good. Start here. First cuts. You want sharp scissors that don't pull too much, that cut pretty easily. I got these from a hair cutting kit.
The wall brand or something?
Yeah. Katie doesn't want it too short, so I'm not trying to go too crazy. Going to town there, Oliver? That sucker. Alright. So a little higher up, you might want to cut a little bit farther from the head. Obviously, wet hair is a bit sticky. Initially, I'm going to do a bunch of rough cuts and then try to fine tune it a little bit. So it should. It's good to comb it occasionally. Get a better idea of how you're doing. Yours should probably be pretty short as well. The size. Have you careful, make sure you don't turn their heads to the scissors. You don't want any kids permanently blind in one eye for haircuts. What's going on?
Daddy cutting your hair? He doesn't care as long as he's a sucker.
Yeah, suck it up. Do we need some toys to distract you?
Oh.
We might have to go rather quick since they probably won't be
Limited.
patient forever. Let's get a little more water. So you could do this in a sink if you're worried about where hair is gonna go. But I usually just vacuum after things like this and gets most things up. Probably don't want to use. Got myself a little bit. Probably don't want to use electric. Those razor things. Shears, electric shears. Those will be pretty loud and probably pretty traumatic for a young baby. There we go.
I gotta go fast. So handsome, mister.
Thanks for watching, and please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below. How's this?
Looks good. What a handsome boy.